Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of HinKeL's PC Wednesday.
Alright, listen up.
On today's menu we have Skyforge. Skyforge is an MMORPG developed by Obsidian and All Odds team. It's currently in beta stage, but open beta, so everybody's able to take a closer look. It is free to play and can be downloaded on the game's internet site. To play, you'll need a my.com account though. So what is the game about? In Skyforge, you're going to impersonate an immortal warrior trying to become a god. This can be achieved by gaining followers which worship you. To acquire followers, you'll need to complete quests. These quests will take you through the world of Aelion, which is beautifully designed. There are lush forests with small villages, entire towns, old ruins and much more that you can explore. So when you first start the game, you won't be taken to the character creator immediately, nor will you be able to choose a class or a name. You're just a normal nameless soldier who's saved by divine intervention. Tired of tanking? Just switch to damage dealer or support class. The classes you start with are the paladin, a tank, the cryomancer, a damage dealer, which is actually pretty powerful at the moment, and the lightbinder, which is a support class like a healer. The other classes will be unlocked as you evolve your character. Only after the tutorial level you will be able to fully customize your avatar. The character creator is pretty good, you'll get a lot of options to create something to your liking, including the clothes. There's even an option that lets you determine the size of your butt. Unfortunately, the only race you can choose is a human race. Thankfully though, there are a lot more classes in the game. You can only choose 3 classes at the start of the game, unfortunately, but you can change your class on the fly. As of now, there are 10 more different classes, which gives the game a total of 13 classes. The classics are the Archer, the Zerker and the Knight. There are some exotics like the Gunner, a long-range damage dealer, the Kinetic who only uses his fists, and the Alchemist who uses potions, poison and a combination of both to deal damage at long ranges or buff up teammates. The other classes are the Necromancer, Slayer, Warlock and the Monk. On a larger scale, the game offers a lot more. When you're in the hub, where every player can meet up, you can choose to visit PvP locations on the world map. There are raids, distortions, invasions, single missions, missions you can do with friends and Pantheon wars. Raids comprise 10 players exploring special locations with hard challenges that offer you a unique gear as a reward. In Distortion, Pantheons, which are the guilds in this game, try to find a special device which lets them detect ancient monsters that still endanger the world and slay them. Invasion pits you against mechanoid enemies. You and your party need to defend Aelion against these invasions, rewarding you with extra gear. Pantheon wars are the classic guild wars. Leveling up in Skyforge is quite different from other MMOs. In Skyforge, you'll need to earn prestige. Prestige can be acquired by looting better gear or leveling up your equipment slots. Higher prestige unlocks new missions and modes, which constantly nets you more points in the long run.
Now he's nearly invincible. I advise you to switch to Agira.
I have to admit, I haven't played the game very much until now, but I can assure you that it's definitely worth your while. There's still a lot more for me to discover, so maybe I will release a second video when I'm further into the game. With that said, I'm gonna leave you guys. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to get the latest gaming news.